Roy Chambers, the man, the legend. I am so thankful to know you for your creativity and your passion for Project 79 and your ever calm nature and presence. Thank you so much. Best of luck.
Hey Roy, congratulations. I'm so happy that I got the chance to work with you all those years in Project 79, and I'm gonna miss you so much, and we love you.
Thanks for being the kind of teacher that teaches other teachers how to be empathetic, how to be understanding, and most importantly, how to create authentic learning experiences that carry through their lives long after they leave us. You are an amazing person, you're an amazing educator, and we have been blessed by all that is Roy.
Thank you for being a great colleague and a great friend, and specifically for helping me weave art into my Spanish classes. We had that really fun collaboration a few years ago with the mural art, and the kids loved it and I loved it, so that was awesome.
Thank you for sharing your talents with our kids in Project 79 and with me when we did that whole nother level chemistry project. It became something that was something that students and staff in Project 79 were so excited to show to the whole school community, and it became a real point of pride for all of us. So thank you for sharing your skills and your demeanor, for keeping us calm when it got really stressful. Congratulations and good luck.
Thank you for all of the insights that you've provided at our meetings over the years, and for the activities you helped coordinate. Before I ever even joined Project 79, one of the first times I realized how awesome this program could be were the mandala art designs that were done at the end of the year one year. So thank you again for everything you've done for the program, and congratulations on your retirement.
Hi, Roy. It's hard to find the words. As a colleague, it's just been a privilege to work with you and to watch you do the magic you do with kids through art and through your humanity and your kindness. You have the incredible ability to bring out the best in all of us and to create endless opportunities for others to shine. As a friend, it's really impossible to find the words to express my gratitude and my admiration. So simply said, I thank you for all you do every day for all of us. I love you, and I wish you the very best in your new adventure. Take care, Roy.
Roy, thank you for being invaluable to us all as a colleague, artist-in-residence, unicorn wrangler, sounding board, voice of reason, and most of all, friend. You'll be missed beyond words, and I'm looking forward to keeping an eye on Artegrity to see what you've been working on, and hope that you keep in touch. Congratulations on your retirement.
Hi, Roy. We heard you were retiring. We wanted to say congratulations. We love you. I miss you.
Congratulations, Roy.
Thanks for welcoming me into the project family. Best of luck in all your future endeavors.
Hi, Roy. You and I have been here a long time, but as you might say, time flies like an arrow, fruit flies like a banana. At the beginning of our adventure, you helped me realize what was going on during that cute, cool activity, I think.
I wouldn't be able to make it to look like a face then. You would. Just gotta try it. Just gotta try it.
You sat with me in my first year of project and helped me build my spirits on days that were hard. You helped me conceptualize so many projects, from the religions mandala to the chess table to how to organize the clothing swap. You tell us that we've got this, whatever this happens to be. You're a constant pun master, ready to disarm any tense or frustrating moment. You are our friend. Waking up this morning was an eye-opening experience where I realized, really, for the first time since you told me this news, that we wouldn't have you to lend a listening ear or to offer an objective perspective going forward. This fills me with sadness and excitement because we'll not have you around the table, but you will still impact our world with art that challenges us to think harder, dig deeper, and connect more authentically. We'll miss the puns, we'll miss the real conversations, we'll miss you. Congratulations on 21 years of an amazing career.
Hi, Roy, it's Al. Well, the time has come to say goodbye, at least as a member of the staff. Everybody at WHS will miss you. Most of all, the students for whom you gave so much. I'll remember you as a great teacher, but most of all, as such a vital member of the P79 staff. For that, I thank you most of all. Leaving will be bittersweet, but take it from someone who's gone through it. Retirement will change your life in so many ways, most of which are going to be very positive. So, good luck, Roy. Enjoy the next phase of your life. It will be grand. Again, thank you and good luck.
Yo, brother, it's not a super quiet day in the neighborhood, but maybe some of the local music will remind you of our time in the Dominican Republic on that work trip. I know you well enough to know that there's a big part of you that totally hates having this much attention drawn to you. And I suggest think of it this way. By paying tribute to you, we are in fact helping to honor the thousands and thousands of students that you have honored through your career over the past quarter century, the last 21 years of which Westfield High School was lucky enough to have you, and the last 10 years of which Project has been fortunate enough to have you. You've always kept students at the center of your work, so much so that it's very difficult, in fact, to find pictures with you in it, because mostly you are literally behind the scenes, like building the scenes, building the platforms for kids to show what they can do, how they will connect with the world, whether it's encouraging them to embrace and think deeply about controversial subjects, or constructing a unicorn out of found wood, later to be burned, to remind all of us that things change. Project is going to change for the lack of your daily presence in all the lives of the people in that community. But it will be forever richer because you've been here. Love you so much, man. Be well. And of course, be in touch.